The murder of an elderly couple in St. Thomas is now in the international spotlight. The story has received significant publicity in Canada, where the couple resided for 50 years. The couple's daughter said the family is reeling from shock after they learned of a gruesome killing. Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for St. Thomas Eastern, Dr. FENTON Ferguson, visited the community today where the incident happened. TVJ SHEMALA reports.
The daughter of the elderly Jamaican-Canadian couple found murdered at their home in Retreat, St. Thomas, says she cannot come to terms with her parents' lives being snuffed out. The bodies of 81-year-old Melbourne Flake and his wife Etta were found on Monday. The bodies, which had signs of trauma, were found in 2 rooms. There were no signs of forced entry.
These things shouldn't happen to human beings. And my parents were human beings that deserved to live out their last days in peace. And somebody out there, for whatever reason, decided to take that away from them, and they need to be brought to justice.
Back home 3 days after the incident, the yellow tape is still at the family's home. The incident has brought into sharp focus the safety and security of the residents in the neighborhood. The area is at the moment tense, and so residents refuse to speak to us on camera. However, they say a lack of street lights in the area is a major concern. The road where the elderly couple lived has 2 street lights, but only one is working. The immediate area where the couple's house is has no street lights, and so the area is dark at nights. Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for St. Thomas Eastern, Dr. FENTON Ferguson, toured the community Friday. Dr. Ferguson says he too is saddened by the incident.
For senior citizens who would have worked hard in Jamaica, worked hard overseas, coming back now to enjoy their senior years, and for this to have happened.
Dr. Ferguson is appealing to the residents in the parish to stop the bloodletting.
We have been able to hold our situation in terms of the crime and violence along with Portland for some time now, and I'm appealing to them to let us get better. Let us get better. As Member of Parliament, I will continue to work with the police. I will continue to work with the police youth clubs. I am a product of the police youth club, and I will continue to work with them and the young people.
The Flake's daughter told Canadian media that she will be coming to Jamaica to ensure her parents' murders are thoroughly investigated. SHEMALA, TVJ News.